Hey crew, welcome to Oahu. I'm at Lanikai Beach right now, hopefully headed out on a kayak out to the Mokes. Show those islands back there. It's a little rainy, it's a little choppy. It sounds like a recipe for an adventure. So we'll go get the kayak and see what happens today. Alright, got the safety video out of the way, got my kayak, headed down to the beach. They said it's an hour and a half out to the Mokes. That's more than I thought, but should be good. It'll be an adventure, that's for sure. Well, this is pretty cool. Made shore. There's a Hawaiian monk seal back there. And there's literally 5 people on the island, including me. Which is, I don't know, that's pretty sweet. Lanikai Beach is over there. This is a cool little adventure. I almost forgot, I rented snorkel gear. I don't think this is a great snorkeling spot, but I got it, so might as well give it a try. Oh, that was awesome. Went swimming with a sea turtle. I love Hawaii. I'm literally on an island by myself. Like, I got the whole island to myself. I just went swimming with the sea turtle. I don't know. I guess if I can encourage you to do anything, it's just get out there and explore. Do something scary every once in a while. Yeah. This is amazing. Really thankful. That's it. I'm not even gonna say hit the subscribe button. No. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.